Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show how to create a debounced input in React.js using a custom hook. For example, when we have a search input like this, we should not call the API or search algorithm whenever user types some character. That would create a performance problem. For that we need to wait for user to type some sentence and we need to initiate all these API calls and filters. So for this I'm going to have a sample application which filters from local list of countries using use memo. For this I'm going to create a new hook called use debounce. So I'm going to debounce the user input. Let's say we'll wait for user to type in the word until he gives a pass. So this is going to be a hook. So let's create a function. It will return the value. So we are going to remove this HTML from this, and then we are going to create a state. Before that, this accepts two parameters. One is the value and the delay, and then we store this value in the state. Let's call the state as debounced value. Here we destructure the value, debounced value, and a function to update the state. Now we will return this debounced value. To actually debounce the value, we are going to use effect hook here. So whenever a value or delay changes, we need to trigger this callback. For this we are going to pass value and delay as a dependency for this use effect hook. And then this use effect callback will just have set timeout handler, and this will be called on the supplied delay time. It could be 500 milliseconds or it could be 1 second. So after this timeout we update the value. So here the catch is we will not update the value unless this timeout is met, and then we return a function where we clear this timer. So whenever a new value comes into this hook, this use effect will re-trigger. So it will clear the existing timer and it will start a new timer, so that it will continue on loop unless user stops typing. So that's it from hook side. Let's move to the component and utilize this hook to see the results. So here at the top I have a search. I'm going to use that for this hook and get debounce search term. So let's use debounce, import it from the custom created hook, and then we pass this search as a value for that. Now during the filtering operation I use this debounce search instead of the actual on change search term. So let's go ahead and see that. Let me refresh this page. Oh, it's not working. So let's go ahead and see. Okay, so we missed the delay for this. Probably I will suggest to add a default delay in our hook. So it could be 500 by default. User can customize. Now when we type, it will wait for us to complete the typing for 500 millisecond, and then it will search in the list of countries. So this is what we wanted to have. So this is working as expected.